keep and grow our competitive position, we need to out-innovate the rest of the world. They have equally smart or even smarter people than we do. They have equal amounts of money as we do to invest in R&D. And they are willing to compete still at the cost of nature, and we aren't. So together with Knowledge Sharing Center, ASML and Thermo Fisher, we're going to take collaboration in the value chain for manufacturing to the next level.
As an engineer, you have to be innovative, and your goal is to provide solutions for your customers they need. But a good solution is only good when it can be manufactured. So a profound knowledge of manufacturability is essential in product development. ASML and Thermo Fisher Scientific acknowledge this importance, and together with them, Mikrocentrum organizes the first edition of the Manufacturing Technology Conference that will take place on February 14th in Veldhoven. With the Manufacturing Technology Conference, we boost your knowledge about manufacturability and we help you look for possibilities that did not exist before.